ever thought about starting a pure water business in Africa, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how a professional sachet factory works, what machines are required, how the production process operates, and what you need to know before making your investment. By the end of this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of how this business works. I'm Nick Kesler, your reliable supplier in China. Let's go for the presentation. Let's go. Hello guys, I'm Nick Kesler, your reliable supplier in China. So today, the video is about pure water business in Africa. So in this video, I'll show you how to build a profitable sachet factory, like pure water business in Africa, okay? In this video, we talk about the demand. You have high demand of this business, of sachet water across Africa. Also, we talk about the profit, how much you will make by investing in this. So let's go. So why this business? Why you have to invest in this business? One of the biggest reasons this business is so attractive is very simple. Everyone needs clean drinking water. Every day, millions of sachet water are sold across Africa. Water is in a city or rural community. The demand remains strong because water is a daily necessity. So that means this is not seasonal business. This is a business can be running through the year without stop because people need it daily, okay? So we move to the next page. Okay, why sachet water is so popular in Africa? So this is simple because, here we have different locations where you can set up your business and where your demand are, where you can locate your demand. So we have hospitals, they need clean water, purified water and clean. The schools also, schools. We need also clean water there. So you can set up something around the school at the entrance or inside and sell your pure water there. And vendors, like street vendors. This is something we see it everywhere in Africa, They have it here on the head and they're walking around with the water and then they're selling easily. So if you have a team, we are selling on street, this is also good business. So here we have hotels, restaurants, and events. So I take example, if you have a wedding ceremony, something like this, it's very good to sell that pure water there. Events depend on the type of event. For example, conferences, for example, you can sell your pure water and so on. In construction site, yes, those workers at the construction site, they also need clean water to keep on working throughout the day. And also transport station. This is something like, we have it a lot in Africa. So you can find some street vendors and sell it also here, So this is, some little location you can work on it. I think we have more of this. If you do some market research, I believe you'll find even more than this one. Okay, so let's go. So here, this is the complete production line overview. So guys, I put all together for you to understand, how to set up it. Okay, so yeah, it's not everything in this. It's not everything in this one you need, but this is the most important part of the whole production line. This is the most important part of the whole production line. I put it for you, okay? So firstly, we have this one. This is water treatment. So this one, it will depend on where you are taking the raw water, because if you are taking the raw water from something is not clean, so you need to have a good water treatment to clean it before you move it to the reverse osmosis. But this one is very important. This one, for this part, you stay tuned. I will show you different locations where you can take that raw water before you start the whole treatment, okay? So here we have the reverse osmosis. This will help you to purify and so on. So, and here we have the storage tank. This is for water, this one. But I chose this one, but you stay tuned also. I will show you different type of water storage tank. You can use it also for your investment. And also we have this one. This is very important. This machine is very important. So if you only have this one, it will be hard for you to start your business, but you should have all of this. But some, to start a business very easily, they remove this one and they start with this one and this one and this one is enough. But if you want a very clean water, so that I said, it depends on where you are taking your raw water, okay? So let's go. And now you have this one, the sachet. So exactly, the raw water source, where are you taking your raw water, This is very important, If you are taking your raw water for a well, so you have a borehole, you have the rig, you have a drilling rig, you make a borehole, you put the water pump inside and they take the water out for you. So when you are taking the water for this type of places, you have to treat it, you know. When you take water from this type of place, you need to have the water treatment to treat it before you move on. Okay. So now some of us, some of people who are investing with us, they're taking water directly from tap water. They have some connector, they connect directly and then they have this water. So even with that, you need to have this little setup out for you. And some also, they invest good with us. They have the drilling rig, they make a borehole, and they also put this pump inside and purify the water and pump the water from the soil directly to the storage tank, okay? So guys, this is where you are taking your water, okay? So now, this is the reverse osmosis. This one is very simple. I make a whole video about that, so you can check on our YouTube channel and understand more about it. But this one will help you to purify the water. This one, you know, this is the heart of the entire production line. This is the heart of the entire production line. This is why you need this one. Because if you don't have this one, I think you cannot call your water pure water, because it's not pure, because this one purified, you know. Make the water drinkable, make it clean, and then it's very important, okay? So you should have this one. And the price is very good with us. I will put the link of this machine in the comment below. You can check the price of this machine. We have different sizes, okay? Okay, so this one, this is the reverse osmosis. It's very important. This is only to purify the water, and this is also very important. You should have this one. You should have this one in your production line. Okay, let's move. So here, this is different like storage tank you can use for your own investment, okay? So if you want to, if you start, you can start with this one. This is a small one. You can start with this one first, but when your business starts to grow and then you are starting, you start to make money and then you have more demand in the market, you can move to those big ones, okay? So I put this type of stainless steel for you to see, okay? This type of stainless steel for you to see, okay? But there's different sizes. You have this size, this size, this size, this size. As I said, it depends on the type of investment you want to do, okay? If you are just started, I will advise you to go with this one, okay? And then gradually improve to this one. That will depend on the demand you have locally, okay? And then, if you choose this type of stainless steel, for the storage tank, it's coming with a price. But if you just started your investment, I have other options for you. You can also start with this one. This one, we can have it across Africa. It's not expensive, okay? You can also use all of this for water storage tank. You can like use this one, and this one, you know? Okay, you know, this is stainless, this is a little bit costly. But this one, you know, this one, the price is quite good. It's not that expensive. So this one, you can have it locally in Africa. I think in Nigeria, I have some clients, they have it also. They're selling this type of thing locally. Also this one. In Ghana also, Cote d'Ivoire also, they're selling all of this. So if you're from these countries, I believe you can buy it locally. You don't need to buy it from China, okay? But if you don't have it, no problem. You talk to us, we quote you the price of all of this, okay? So that's good. And this is a machine. This is also a very important part of the production line. This is a machine you need. This is something very important. But I made a whole video about this machine, how it works and everything. So here you have this, it helps you to fill in bag and fill up, seal, cut, and everything. So this machine is doing everything at one time. So you put the water, you connect it, and it keep on going. So I have the video about this machine. You can go to our YouTube channel and watch it. I will also put a link below for you to find it easily, okay? Let's go. So here, this is the packaging, okay? So, you know, if you are selling this type of product, maybe you want to make your own brand, you know? But if you want to save money, I will advise you to do it locally. Yes, and then in some countries, they have already this machine there, and then they're selling this type of machine can brand, to make the branding on this locally. So you can buy it locally and start your business. But if you don't have it, no problem. You talk to us, we will make the branding for you and ship it directly with the machine. And that will be easy for you. So here, I mean, it's coming in a row. We have different rows, and this is ink. Okay, I just put the ink here because if you want to push out the machine with us, you have to buy also the ink to print it. Okay, yeah. And then here also the different packaging you have. Okay, so let's go to the next page. So here, because it's your investment, so here I put the price or the sachet water across 3 countries, which I know a little bit the market price. So this price is the average price, okay? So if you're planning to invest, of course you should know how much it costs, I mean the price locally. So here we have the price in Ghana. This is a city, so you have the price is like one city, only 500 liter, I mean 500 ml of like pure water. This is the price of one. And then we have the price also in Nigeria, 50 naira to 100 naira, only one bag. I mean small sachet, okay? Now the price in Ivory Coast, in Cote d'Ivoire, this price is in franc CFA. So it starts from 50 to 100 franc CFA. So you have this one, so you know a little bit how much you earn based on the quantity you are selling daily, okay? So this is the market price from different countries. Maybe this price can change. It depends on your country and so on, okay? So guys, this is the price from those 3 countries, but you can write the price down below from your country, how much you guys are selling there locally, okay? Please share your information, okay? So now we move to the next. So here, I made the little calculation for you to understand, okay, how much you can invest, how much the machine, how long the machine can run, and so on, okay? So guys, this is very long PPT. If you need it, just comment down, I need the PPT, or you comment down pure water, and then the team will share the PPT to you, okay? Okay guys, we read this part, which is the daily production. I made a quick example for you to understand what is going on in this investment. So if you start with this liter system, which is 1,000 liter per hour system, okay? And then you run it for 8 hours, okay? Now you have 8,000 liter of pure water, clean. That 8,000 liter of pure water is equal to 16,000 sachet, liter sachet, 16,000 or 500 milliliter, okay? So now let's calculate your daily revenue based on this one, okay? For example, you are selling it at $0.01, only one sachet, okay? When we multiply that by the quantity, we have $160 you are getting daily by selling it, okay? $160, this is daily. And then if you run it for the whole month, so here you have 4,800, the monthly revenue. And this is the gross revenue, okay? This is not a net profit, okay? This is gross revenue. This is what you are getting. But for you to know your net revenue, you need to see whether you spend some marketing fees. You need to check that. If you have some maintenance fee, you need to check the electricity bills. And also, depending on the type of distribution channel you are using, if you are spending money for that also, so you need to make all the calculation based on this one, and then see how much is your net profit. This is a very simple calculation, okay? So you know how much you make if you're investing in this business. This is a little calculation I made for you. As I said, this PPT is very long. We went through more detail and so on. So if you need the whole PPT, feel free to be in touch with us. We'll be happy to assist you. And if you want to invest also in this area, in this business, you feel free to be in touch with us, okay? I'm Nick Kesler, your reliable supplier in China, and we are here to support you. I believe I'm helping someone by sharing all the information. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.